Welcome to Breakthrough to Greater Success. Hi, my name is Mandy Napier and I'm the owner and founder of Mindset for Success. Now, if you're feeling a little bit stuck, overwhelmed or unmotivated, this program is for you. If you know what you need to do, as most of us do, and you're not doing it, this is for you. If you're not achieving the results that you want in your business, you're feeling a little bit stale or jaded, or you're just in a bit of a fog, lacking clarity, this is for you. You see, I've created this program because I know that as humans, we tend to get in our own way. We cannot see ourselves as other people do. And over the past 14 years, I've been helping people transform their lives, specifically helping them discover the patterns and programs that are redundant, yet they're still playing in their lives and shaping their results. When I help you see what is hidden from you and you become aware, potential opens for massive change. So if you know what you need to do but you're not doing it, you're not getting the results you want in your life or business, then I encourage you to reach out and join this program. Now, this program isn't for you if you want somebody to do everything for you. If you're not prepared to commit for 12 weeks and we'll meet once a week on Zoom, then perhaps this isn't for you. If you're just not willing to get a little bit uncomfortable. However, if you are, I guarantee when you join this program, you will transform your results. The participants on the current course have had massive breakthroughs and transformations. Take Jo, who wanted to do a podcast for several years but couldn't get through her fear. Not only has she done her first podcast, she's done more than one. And Lynn, who now has a clear direction for her life. Or Scott, who had the best day that he's had in the last 10 years. And Raquel, who realised that her past experiences and thoughts were holding her back from stepping into her potential. So if you're interested in this program, as I said, it's 12 weeks. It's a small group of like-minded people. Then there is an early action takers bonus because I always reward action takers. And if you have any questions, please reach out and have a call with me. It's important that we make sure it's the right next step and you'll be a good fit for the group. And it's my mission to make sure that everybody gets fantastic results and break through to greater success in your life, whether it's your personal life or your business, because both are linked. And how you show up in one and when you make an improvement in one area will have a positive ripple in all areas of your life. I look forward for you joining BTS Pro. Thank you, Mandy Mindset for Success.